With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, which state of matter has the maximum thermal energy? So among solid, liquid, and gases, the order of thermal energy is such that gases have the maximum thermal energy, then comes the liquids, and then comes the solids. Why this happens? Because if we talk about gases, then the molecules of a gas are spread apart. It means that they have a large intermolecular space between them. And therefore, the molecules of the gases have higher kinetic energy because they have large space between their molecules and they can freely move, collide with each other. Right, they can freely move and collide with each other because of the large spaces, and therefore the kinetic energy of such molecules is more because they're in the random motion because of the large spaces between them. So more kinetic energy, more random motion, it means that more thermal energy. Right. Whereas if we talk about liquids, then in liquids, the molecules are still a little closer to each other, right? So the molecules are still a little closer to each other. It means that they can still move. They can still move randomly. They can still liberate some energy, but it will be less as compared to gases because they have less spaces. Right, because they have less spaces, so there will be less movement of the molecules and there will be less kinetic energy in comparison to gases. Whereas if we talk about solids now, then solids have tightly packed molecules, right? The molecules are tightly packed in a solid, which means that they have very strong intermolecular forces of attraction. They have least spaces, and therefore the molecules of a solid have least kinetic energy to move in the random motion, and therefore they have the least thermal energy. Right. So basically what happens is that gases have the higher thermal energy, and the highest thermal energy. When the temperature is decreased, the spaces are decreased, the molecules come closer and it converts to liquids and the thermal energy decreases a little. When the liquids convert to solids and the temperature is further decreased, the molecules come closer to each other, the spaces become less, and therefore the thermal energy also becomes less, right? So that's all for the question, and the state of matter that has maximum thermal energy is going to be the gaseous state, right? That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.